It's game time, people. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. Today is my first day of cutting and it's gross. But the good news is I'm here to cut this property. I actually started treating it last season, like winter time, and the customer was telling me it was looking good, and it is looking pretty good. I'm gonna tell you what I'm about to do today. It's just gonna be cutting it, but I gotta cut it a certain way, and I'm gonna explain why. All right, people, here we go. That's the property. As you can see, y'all can see that line right there. See that stick is where the property line is, and see that's what her yard looked like last year. This was looking like this year. But today I'm gonna cut it. I'm probably gonna end up cutting her yard probably about 4 inches, maybe 4.5. But what I'm gonna do today is I'm going to cut it at about 3.5, which is going to be rough because it's wet. So we're going to see how this goes. But as you can see, still got some weeds in there. And so the reason I'm cutting it at 3.5, a lot of these weeds have died because I already sprayed them. But we want to give the grass a chance to grow thick. So I want to cut it down low today so the grass can grow back. Once I cut it down low, I might spray it again so any weeds that's there, they can die. But yeah, we can get this bad boy taken care of. Yes, sir. people, as you can see, we are done. I usually cut the front yard with the gravely, but after I started cutting that ditch with the walk behind, that T-bar, I was like, man, I missed these stripes. So I went ahead and cut the whole front area. Front area is the only area I'm treating. So I cut this area, cut the area over here. And so I think that's what I'm gonna continue doing. Since I'm treating it, you want it to look as nice as possible. I actually got the neighbor, she referred me to the neighbor over there. So I'm gonna be giving that neighbor a call. Talk about treating her yard. I'm gonna say it's about a year away. That's why I tell people, I'm like, you either want the fast way. The fast way is a high risk because it could turn out good, it might not turn out good, but if you do the slow, natural way, which I like doing it, you get a better result. So thanks for watching. I'll stay tuned for that. I'll probably gonna be calling them this week, but I'll stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.